A very cheerful good morning to all. Today, I am going to start a very interesting topic of English grammar, which is jumble letters. In board exam, you will get the question related to this topic. In this topic, we will study what are jumble letters and how to arrange it and make a meaningful word. So let's get started. Okay. Now, the students, you know what is jumble letters. Jumble letters क्या होते हैं? Jumble means writing the spelling in improper order. Jumble means क्या होता है? जो आप जो spelling लिखते हैं वो क्या होती है? Improper order में होती है. Here the word improper means not in the correct order. Okay, student, not in the correct order. Let's take a jumble letter. Now, if I ask you which word make from WOC, here you can see the word WOC. Now, if you know the word cow, okay, you can easily say that the word is cow. Okay. Now, the second word is YOTS. Here is a jumble letters. So, arrangement of letter is इन ऑर्डर में ओके सो वी अब हमको क्या करना है कि अपन को इसको करेक्ट ऑर्डर में करना है ओके सो द वर्ड इज TOYS to make a meaningful word TOYS. Okay student, have you understood the jumbled letter? And once again telling you, jumbled means mixture of things, especially an untidy and confused mixture of things, and it is also called mixing of letter not in a correct order. ये correct order में नहीं होंगे, आपको इसको क्या करना है, correct order में करना है. Okay. Now, here are the rules for making meaningful word from the given jumble letters. अब आपको jumble letters दिए होंगे, लेकिन उसके भी rules हैं, आपको कैसे आपको उसको meaningful letters बनाने हैं. The first rule is you must use all the given letters. You cannot leave any letters. Okay, you have the letter 1 2 3 4 or 5. Here are the 5 letters, so make a meaningful letter. So you cannot leave any letter. You cannot make this letter from MA and man. You cannot leave other letters GO. You must use all the given letters as a MANGO, because here the arrangement is correct order. So make a meaningful word from this jumble letter mango. Okay student. Now the second rule is you cannot repeat the letters. Okay, you cannot repeat the letter. It is not depend on you. You can repeat the letter again and again. So here the word is MEZA. Here the this letter is jumble. Okay, now make a AMAZE. So you in this word you can repeat the letter A. Okay, so this word is wrong. So you make a MAZE if it is a particular meaningful word. Okay, now the here the third rule is if letter appears multiple times, final word should also contain that letters that many times. Okay, अगर लेटर्स के अंदर आपको एक ही जो लेटर है वो बारी बारी रिपीट हो रहा है, ओके अगर आपको उन्हीं लेटरों को यूज करना है, ऐसे नहीं कि आप दूसरे लेटर को उसके अंदर यूज करो या उसको एक को आप स्किप कर दो. देखिए ESCASE. Here the jumble letter is ESCASE. You don't make a word CASE case. You don't make a word CASES. You make a word access from this jumble letter. A double C. Here you notice that double C and double S. A double C E double S. You cannot skip word. You cannot add more word. You can make a meaningful word from this jumble letter. So here are the rules of jumble letters. Have you understood? And repeating once again, you must use all the given letters. ओके जो आपको जो लेटर्स दिए गए हैं आपको उसी को क्या करना है, यूज करना है. यू कैन नॉट लीव एनी लेटर. इनमें से आपको कोई भी एक लेटर को लीव नहीं करना. यू कैन नॉट रिपीट द लेटर्स. आप लेटर्स को रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. इफ द हेयर द लेटर इज MEZA and you repeat the A double time AMAZE, this word is also wrong. You should repeat you should not repeat the letters. Okay. And third is if letter appears multiple times, finally word should also contain that letter. जो final जो word होगा वो जो उसी जो लंबा letter लिखे हुए उसी में से ही बनेगा. That letter that many times जो आपको many times दे रखी. Okay student, have you understood the rules of jumble letters? Now here are the example of jumble letters. Now you can better understand from this. First is T-E-M-E-L-E. Here are the jumble letters. Okay. Now make a meaningful word. T-E-M-P-L-E. If you know about the temple, the word, the spelling of the temple, you can understand the jumble letters and make a meaningful word. Second is P-P-A-E-R. P-A-P-E-R. Okay. Make a meaningful word. Paper. Next is H-P-A-P-Y. Make a meaningful word. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Now next is R-M-O-O. R-O-O-M. Room. Next is P-N-O-D. Make a meaningful word. P-O-N-D. Pond. Next is S-K-E-E. And make a meaningful word. S-E-E-K. Okay, student. Next is H-R-E-D. And make a word. H-E-R-D. Herd. P-A-C-E-E. Make a meaningful word. P-E-A-C-E. Okay, student. Now here are the example of jumble letters, and from the jumble letters make a meaningful words. Or now, student, it is like a game. It is like a puzzle for you. Okay. Now, question here are the question. Arrange the jumble letters to make a meaningful words. आपको jumbles here are the question will come in your board exam. Okay, here some they give you one or two letters or three kind of letters, so you can make a meaningful word from this. Okay, so here the first letter is jumble letters C-L-S-A-S. Make a meaningful word. C-L-A-S-S. Okay. Next is H-E-M-O. And make a meaningful word. H-O-M-E. Home. Okay, student. Now, third number F-E-R-E. Make a F-R-E-E. Fourth number P-E-S-O. Make a meaningful word. P-O-S-E. Pose. Fifth number M-A-L-I. Make a M-I-L-K. Milk. Sixth number A-M-R-Y. Make a meaningful word. A-R-M-Y. Army. Okay. Next is R-T-S-A. R-A-T-S. Rats. Eighth number T-E-H. T-E-H-E-T. Make a meaningful word. T-E-E-T-H. Okay, student? Have you understood this? Now, here are the आपके जो ये जो वर्ड्स मैंने दिए हुए हैं आपकी बुक में से दिए गए. ओके, सो अरेंज द फॉलोइंग जंबल लेटर्स टू मेक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो इफ यू वांट you can raise your hand, you can answer me. Okay, first is P-D-E-E. Next is Anu. Anu, please unmute yourself. Anu.
Hello. Good morning,
Yes.
ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Yes. Have you understood the jumble letters?
Yes, ma'am.
So make a meaningful word from P-D-E-E.
Deep.
Deep. Very good. Speak the spelling. Tell me the spelling. D-E-E-P.
D-E-E-P.
Very good, beta. Very good. Please. Next is H-E-R-A-T. Next, Bajrang, please unmute yourself. Make a meaningful word. Second number.
Ma'am, heard.
Tell me the spelling.
H-E-A-R-T.
Very good, beta. Very good. Next is third number. A-L-K-W. Yes. Priyanshi, please unmute yourself. Priyanshi.
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Tell me the meaningful word of ALKW.
Walk. Walk. WALK.
Very good. WALK, walk. Very good, beta. Next is AFARDI. Yes. So tell me, Drini, please unmute yourself. Yes. Yes, batao.
I'm afraid.
Afraid. Tell me the spelling.
AFRAID.
Very good. AFRAID. Okay, please. Very good. Mute yourself, beta. Next is fifth number SNGO. Yes. Yogita. Yogita, please unmute yourself. SNGO. Yogita. Joya, please unmute yourself. Joya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, song.
Fifth number SNGO.
Ma'am, song.
Song. Very good, beta.
S.
SONG. Song. Very good, beta. Now, our next topic is compound words in the English grammar. Okay, in the board exam, in the question will come from this topic. Okay, so what is compound words? Two words put together to make a न्यू वर्ड. ओके, दो वर्ड आपस में हम जब जोड़ते हैं तो एक नया वर्ड बनता है, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, हियर आर द एग्जांपल. रेन प्लस वो क्या बन गया? रेनबो. Okay, here the one word is rain and the second word is bow. So either here the make a one word rainbow. Okay students, this is called a compound words. Here the another example of compound word you can better understand it. First is sun, next is flower. तो क्या बन गया? मेक अ मीनिंगफुल वर्ड sunflower. Rain plus bow, rainbow. Pine plus apple, pineapple. Okay. Next is book plus shelf. Make a new word bookshelf. Foot plus ball. Make a new word football. Next is, here are the another example of you can identify a new word. Okay, now put together, join together to make join together two words, join together to make a new word. Live plus stick, make a lipstick. Mail plus box, mailbox. Fish plus ball, miss fish ball. Butter plus fly, butterfly. Basket plus ball, basket. uh, First word and second word is ball. So make a new word basketball. Next is tooth plus brush. Make a new word toothbrush. Okay. Next is snow plus man. क्या बन गया? Snowman. Next is arm plus chair, arm chair. So here are the some example of the words taken from your books. Okay, some important compound words of your textbooks are also following. The first is someday. Now you can separate the word some plus day, someday. Next is classroom, class plus room. Here the two word class plus room make a new word classroom. Okay. Next is newspaper, news plus paper, newspaper. Fourth is handmade, hand plus made, handmade. Fifth is playground, play plus ground, playground. Sixth number is dustbin. Separate this word dust plus bin, dustbin. Magic lamp, magic plus lamp, magic lamp. Okay. Homework, home plus work, homework. Bed plus sheet, bed sheet. Notebook, not plus book, book, notebook. Okay, here are the some example of compound words. So you can notice that they are the two words, two different words or make a new word. Okay, this is called a compound words. Now here are the match A to B to make form a meaningful compound words. Here are the A. First is over. Over, and we can match we come. Overcome. Make a new word overcome. Okay, student. Now next is flower. फ्लावर के साथ क्या आएगा? कौन सा सुटेबल वर्ड रहेगा? फ्लावर, फ्लावर, bed, flower, bed. Next is bed. Next is bed. So we can match bedroom. Make a another word. Shoe. Next is in the board exam. There are the question from this. You can answer from this box. Okay. Now fill in the blanks using appropriate words from the box. You can find the answer from this box. Okay, student. Now I'm explaining you that the you can you can get the compound words from the matchup and from the fill in the blanks. Okay, so now here are the example of fill-ups. The first is I threw the bits of paper in the and make a other word and make a new word. Okay, in the dust plus bin, dustbin. The new word is here dustbin. Next is the cob dash is on the wall. Cob क्या है और web क्या है? Cobweb को हम क्या बोलते हैं? जाले बोलते हैं. तो वो क्या होता है? Cobweb is on the wall. दीवार पर लगे हुए हैं. तो here the compound word is cobweb. Third number is we use hand dash paper arms and marks on the sharer. We use handmade paper arms and marks on the sharer. Okay, student. Now fourth number, we should be disciplined at our work. Abhidhar, here I can ask you. Please raise your hand if you know the answer of this. We should be disciplined at our work place. Here the suitable word is workplace. Now we will do our home dash ourself. We will do our home work ourselves. अपना homework खुद को करना चाहिए. Okay, student. Now whenever someone rub the magic dash, the genie used to come out. So jinn कैसा है? Magic plus lamp. We make a compound word magic lamp. Okay. Now the seventh number is shall make our class dash clean. हमको अपनी class कैसे रखनी चाहिए? आपकी तो ये class room clean. Here the suitable word is classroom. Okay, student. Okay, student. Now you have to understood the compound words and the jumbled letters. If you have any problem, you can ask me related this question. Okay, students. Now I'm asking you a question from you.